have some super fun split balance variations that I want to show you. They might look super bendy, but here's the secret. It's really all about the angle. You don't have to be super crazy flexible to pull these off because let's be honest, I am not, and they still look amazing on the chair. We're gonna start by sitting on the chair and we're gonna scooch over to one side so only one hip is sitting on the chair. Lean down to the opposite side of the chair and put your hand on the ground. Your hips should be kind of just hanging off of the chair. From there, you can drop down to your forearm, and then you can play with a bunch of different positions with your leg. You can just bring it straight up. You can grab it with a hand. You can also bring it straight out in front of you. Again, it looks like I'm in a full split, but I am not. It's all an illusion. And I just think it looks so cool. I love this move. So yeah, really take your time and play with some different leg positions. Use this optical illusion to your advantage and really have fun with it. The next variation is more of a shoulder stand, but the nice thing is that you're using the chair to hold a lot of your body weight, so it's a lot easier to get into than if you were doing this just freestanding. So from our forearm, we're gonna drop down into that shoulder, and now just my thigh is on that chair. From here, you can think about bringing your knee down to your elbow and then opening up into that split. I'm now in more of a straddle than an actual split, and again, it looks super bendy, but I'm really not doing that much. I absolutely love this move. I think it's so pretty, and it just looks really badass. Let's flow into that one. Gonna drop down into that shoulder, bring that leg over. Damn, that looks cool. It's such a fun one. You can flow between the forearm stand and the shoulder stand, really play with those legs. I think it looks a lot harder than it actually is. So give this one a try, especially if you really want to impress your friends at a party. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.